Good morning. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. I want to show you the resort while it's empty. Not many people here, so you can get a feel for what it looks like, and also walk to the beach and show you the beach they have here. So let's check out. These are the family annex rooms that have a walk up to the pool, which is really cool. So let me show it to you. So there you go. You got 4 of them right here. You got a couple more over there, but you literally have your own somewhat private pool that you can go from your balcony right to it, which is pretty cool. In the mornings, they have coffee here. Whatever coffee you want, they got you covered. It opens up at 8 o'clock. Over here, they have a hookah / shisha. So this is where you can chill and, you know, take care of that. So there you go, folks. There's the beach. You got the mountain views over there, amazing views. You got plenty of cabanas. So when it comes to water sports, they definitely got you covered. You got a cool looking car boat, speedboat, a couple large boats, and jet skis, and bunch of activities that you can do. It's like you got a banana boat, you got one that's a 4-seater, you know, you name it, they got you covered here. You got volleyball over there. They even have surfboards. So if you're a surfer, they got you covered on the boards here. Right behind me is the nightclub, and this place gets packed pretty quick at night. So this is pretty much where all the partying happens. Now this is called a secret garden. It is kind of hidden. It's a small garden, but they also do open massage spas over here. So you literally be walking, and if you come up a few stairs, you literally see pretty much somebody almost butt naked getting a massage over here. So it's kind of weird, but this is the garden here. The amphitheater, this is what it's at. This is where they have the night show, kids show 8:30, adult show 9:30. So for example, they had the magic show yesterday for the kids. Looks like today is the samba show. Now when it comes to bars, they definitely have plenty of bars for you to get your drinks. Like you got one over there, you got one over here, you got ice cream and waffles, and then you have another shisha and hookah, and then you have another bar right there. Definitely plenty space to just walk up and get your drinks. Now, even though this is all-inclusive resort, not everything is free. So the kids area right here that you see, that costs money. The jumping activity right here for kids, it costs money. Tattoo, airbrush, it costs money. So it's a bit different setup than what we've seen in the other resorts, where we've had face tattoos for kids for free. Kid play area with like the toys and stuff that you saw has been free. So this is set up differently.